Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. So from so many days I have been promoting a software to all of you people, and yeah, I am just suggesting you to definitely use the software if you really want to make some great money online. Okay, so this is the software which I am using, and many of the people asked me to create a review video on the software, on how this software works and what are the benefits of this software. Okay, this software is known as Video Marketing Blaster. Okay, so the link is there in the description. So if you really want to buy the software, you can buy this software from that link, and you can also benefit me. Okay, that's the affiliate link, and I may earn a small commission if you buy the software from that link. Okay, it costs $27, and it's a really cool software which I am personally using, and it has helped me to rank my YouTube videos on YouTube search as well as Google search. And due to that, I'm getting a lot more traffic on my YouTube channel as compared to before I was using this software. Okay, so let me show you the software, how I use the software, and how you can use the software and really make a ton of money using YouTube. So okay, so many of my audiences are interested in starting a YouTube business, and this software can definitely help them. This is known as Video Marketing Blaster. Okay, so this is one of the best software which many of the people are using, and most of the affiliate gurus are also suggesting this software because they themselves are using this software to rank their videos on YouTube. Okay, that's the really main reason why people want the software, and you can see that this software has really something which is good. And the best thing about this software is that it provides you with the training videos. Yeah, it provides you with all the training which you require to use this software. Okay, everything is shown to you in this. Okay, and you can see, you can select your country. For example, I'm creating a video which is in English language, and I want to target audience of United States, so I can just click this United States. Okay, just make this country United States, and you can see what are the relevant and most searched terms in the US, trending searches in US. So all these trending searches in US are shown over here. Okay, so you can see that all these things are possible. Okay, and you can also do a great keyword research, as well as the software will generate titles, tags, descriptions, and all those things for you. Okay, so this is the one of the best thing, because most of the new YouTubers who are coming to YouTube and trying to make any videos, they don't understand how to use a particular how to do SEO for YouTube, and due to lack of SEO, their videos aren't able to rank on YouTube. But if you use the software, you can rank your videos, get more views, get more subscribers on your YouTube channel, and grow your YouTube channel very fast. Okay, so this is how you are gonna use the software. Let me show you the entire things and how I am using this software. How do I do my keyword research with the software and all that stuff, I'm gonna show you in this video. Okay, so once you click on this keywords button and type in the keywords, for example, I create videos about make money online, so I have researched the keyword which is known as make money. Okay, so when I research this keyword make money, you can see it suggests all these keywords, what's the rank of that keyword and what's the search volume of that keyword. Okay, so now I can use all these keywords. Okay, and I can use these keywords into my title, tags, and descriptions, so that I can rank on YouTube. Okay, it suggests long tail keywords as well as short keywords which people are searching on you in any of the countries of the world, and they are getting a lot of traffic. Okay, so this is one of the best thing which I love about the software, is that it suggests you all the keywords on which you can potentially rank your videos on number one. Okay, so if someone types this keyword, for example, ways to make money during quarantine, then I can just make a video with this title, how to make money during quarantine, and that video of mine would rank number one on YouTube. Okay, and that's the beauty and that's the best thing about the software. It tells you all these keywords and how many people are searching these keywords on YouTube. Okay, so this is one of the best thing about the software, and this is the thing which I love the most about the software. Okay, now the next thing is video details. Okay, so now if you are searching some of the keywords, okay, for example, I search this keyword which is make money online. Okay, and I want to make a video about this, so this software really suggests me the titles. Okay, so here are some of the titles which I can use in my videos. These are all keyword optimized SEO optimized titles, and these titles can really help me to rank on YouTube at number one position. Okay, that's the target for everyone. Okay, everyone wants to rank number one on YouTube, on Google, and that's the reason why this suggests you the keyword optimized titles, as well as it also suggests you the description. Okay, so once you click on over here, and you can use all these phrases in your description. Okay, these are keyword optimized phrases related to your keyword. Okay, related to your keyword, these are the descriptions which are provided over here. Now you can use any of these phrases in your description. Okay, so you can see that just select any of the phrase which you want, and that phrase will be added to you in your description. Okay, so this is how you just have to click and your descriptions will be ready for you. You don't need to have any hassle of writing and typing your description all by yourself and thinking out all the different things. Okay, so all that hassles gets away, and it saves a lot of time. Okay, so this is also something which is really beneficial for you, and really it can make you a lot of money. Okay, because you are gonna rank your videos on YouTube with this, and this can get you really something which is awesome. Okay, now let's check out the okay, so once I search this keyword on money, so I can find all these videos over here with this niche analysis tool. It tells me that what type of videos are ranking over on YouTube, and what videos are getting the most amount of views, what is then how good SEO does that video does, and just I can keep a track on my competitor. Okay, all these things are available over here in the software, and this software really helps me to gain all this information, and this information is really very crucial so that I can use that information and rank my own videos. Okay, so this is really something which is one of the best thing. And the last feature and the best feature about this software is that you can just put in any video over here, any YouTube video over here, and you can check out what keywords that video is ranking for. Okay, and then you can use those keywords into your titles, tags, and description of your own videos and rank your own videos with this. Okay, so this is one of the best software which I am currently using, and it has provided me some of the great results, and I highly recommend this software to you, and I highly recommend that you should buy this software with the link in the description, because I may get some benefit out of it and you may get a lot of benefit out of it. I always provide you free value on this channel, but if there is something which I am personally using and something which I am definitely getting benefits of, then I definitely recommend that product to you. And this is not an expensive product, because most of the people are really spending so much money into their education, but still there is no guarantee that they can get a good job. Okay, but here you are just investing $27, and if you are going to start a YouTube channel, there's a guarantee that you can rank your videos using this software. Okay, so that's one of the best thing, and that's one of the best thing which can happen to you, because by only spending $27 you are getting thousands and thousands of dollars of worth of YouTube SEO which you can do to your videos, and you can make thousands of money out of that. Okay, so $27 is a really very small investment, and this investment can lead you to a lot of money in the future. So all you need to do is take action. Buy this software if you are really going to start a YouTube business. I have created a lot of videos in which I have shown you how to start a YouTube business without showing your face, without doing anything, without showing your face, and creating very simple videos just like music videos and all that stuff. Okay, so you can also check out those videos on my YouTube channel, and then you can select your niche in which you want to start your YouTube channel and use this software, because this software works in almost all the niches, and it provides information in all the niches, so you can rank your videos even though if you are working in any niche. Okay, you can use this software and really start making a ton of money on YouTube in 2020, because this is the most relevant and most useful software or tool which I am using, and I highly recommend this tool. So just get this tool, link is there in the description. All you need to do is go click that link in the description, go to the sales page of the tool and buy this tool, because it will really help you and it will make you thousands of dollars in future. Okay, in near future, I'm not saying that future, but in near future, all you need to do is take some consistent action and spend a little bit of money. This is not at all expensive, or because you need to invest some money into your learning, and learning equals to earning. That's what Warren Buffett says, and this is why you can just make a lot of money with this. You can just earn a lot of money just by ranking your YouTube videos. So this is something which has helped me, and this can also help you in the long run. So I highly recommend this software. We'll see you in the next video. If you want to buy the software, you can buy this, or if you don't want to buy this, it's your choice. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. You can also follow us on Instagram. Link is given in the description.